It's time for me to change out my windshield wipers, and based on Project Farm's testing, big YouTube channel, the Bosch Icon is the best windshield wiper. I have a 2017 Mercedes GLA 250 here. The Bosch Icons were out of stock, and they were also a lot more expensive. And so I came to the second best solution, Bosch AeroTwin. So what you want to do first is raise this up. So there's this little tab here that holds this locked in place. You're gonna have to pull this out. There's a locking pin right here. So you're gonna have to pull the bottom half out and then pull this tab out. So I'm gonna show it to you again. Yep, there you go. It's easy if you get the positioning right. So you just pull it out and that comes out. So I'm actually replacing some Bosch windshield wipers, which worked fantastic. And so now we're gonna install the new ones. For this Mercedes installation, these windshield wipers come in 2 different sizes, so it's actually very convenient that Amazon had the option for 2 different ones already packaged together. So obviously I'm gonna make sure that I'm replacing the same size. The 24-inch is gonna go on the driver's side. Make sure that I push it in. I keep this part down, and then I just lock it into place. And that's not going anywhere. That's how it's supposed to be done. I'm gonna do the same thing on the passenger side, and we're gonna go on the back side. The back one I'm just replacing. As I'm replacing the front ones, it was like $14. The interval for the wipers, about 6 months. That's what Mercedes recommends. Honestly, you know, if they're working fine, then you don't have to worry about it. If they're starting to leave streaks, like it was in my case, it's not a bad idea to go ahead and replace them. The one in the rear, this one is a little bit of a different design. I want to mention is be careful. If you take this out and this accidentally falls down, same with the front, it can break your glass. You can put a rag underneath. For this one, you know, all we do is these little tabs at the bottom, and then you just press it in, push in, and you pull up. There's a little bit of it's a locking mechanism right here that'll keep it from, you know, coming off. But what we want to do is just take off the cover, and then we're just going to slide this one back in. Sometimes things don't go according to plan, and in this situation, the new windshield wiper that I got for the rear actually doesn't fit. This little adapter that doesn't fit. Luckily, I could pull off the old adapter, and they're interchangeable. So these little pins right there just lock into place. So I can pull this off, clipped it into place, and now it goes right back in. There you go. Once you hear the click, it's locked into place. In between changing windshield wipers, make sure when you wash your car, or if you don't wash your car, get a nice clean rag and wipe the wipers. It'll make sure that they're working properly in between changes. Like, subscribe, and I got other Mercedes GLA 250 videos coming out soon.